This is Swing Machine. I am Don Marshall at StockMarketCaddy.com, and today is March 3rd at about 7 p.m. Are these markets getting confusing for you? We're up one day, we're down the next, we're up again, we're down. We have inflation, we have deflation. There's going to be a reflation of the economy. No, there's going to be a recession. It's just a pullback. No, it's going to be a crash. We're in a bubble. No, we're in a new paradigm. It's all nonsense, folks. None of that matters. None of that matters. What matters is your ability, my ability, to come into these markets on an interval of my choosing, place a purchase, and sell it at a higher price. Or sell it at a high price and buy it back at a lower price and pocket the difference. And collect these things called dollars, the currency of the day. From there, do with it what you will. Spend it on your family, spend it on yourself, spend it on an investment. Buy Bitcoin, buy real estate, buy a farm, buy horses, buy art. Do with it what you will. None of my business. At Stock Market Caddy, we are a mentoring site. We are not a broker or a financial advisor. I have zero interest in managing your money. I don't manage money. I don't at all. We do not sell our programs. We lease them. And the only way that you can lease them, and we only have a limited number of licenses, is if you complete a 3-week Q school. You see, we want you to be sure that the tools that we have built, not just Swing Machine, but all of the tools, that you are comfortable with them, that you understand how they work, you understand how we use them, and you understand how we go about trading in the markets. Once you complete the Q school, you can get access to all of these tools on your desktop and proceed to trade in a fashion and a liking that suits you. What we call learning to trade your game, not mine, not someone else's, not someone on CNBC, not someone on Reddit, not the Nigerians, not anyone else, but you. So let me show you something. Our members who shorted the S&P, these are the ES futures, on a 5-minute interval at 7:15 this morning, 7:15 this morning, one contract, they're up 4,550. If they shorted one micro, they're up $450. If they shorted 10 minis, they're up 45,000. The NQ, the NASDAQ, at 4:45 a.m., shortly after the War Room and the Treasury opened, if you had shorted or with our members the S&P at this price, you would be up tonight on one mini contract $11,000. The Dow at 155 this afternoon, 1,400. The Russell at 150 this afternoon, 2,300. Gold at 220, 650. Oil at 215, 520. You don't want to trade on a 135. You want to trade on a 5, 10, 15 interval. It's a larger interval, larger payoffs, but larger drawdowns. You want to trade on an hourly basis? An hour. The VIX 8 hours ago went long. 10 hours ago, 2,300. 12 hours ago, 10,000. 6 hours ago. Swing Machine can trade anything. Futures, stocks, options. By the way, if you complete the Q School, I will subsidize that cost. I will let you, if at the end of the Q School you say, hey Don, I had a great time, I learned a ton, I want to go forward with the annual membership, I will let you, we will apply the cost that the money you spent on the Q School toward your annual membership. I will subsidize your education. We are doing something here that nobody else is doing. Nobody. Nobody on Twitter. Nobody on CNBC. Nobody. So if you're getting it done wherever you are, all the power to you. Keep doing it. If you are learning, stay there and keep learning. But if you're not, maybe you want to give us a shout. By the way, the CME of Chicago had a contest. They had 2 contests. Their rules, their simulation account for 1 week. The first contest, 1,400 traders. Sunday night through Friday at noon. On Thursday afternoon, we were ranked number 4 on the first contest, and we finished number 20 out of 1,400 professional traders, amateur traders across the country, or maybe across the world. The second contest, there were 1,600. Thursday afternoon, we were ranked 4th. On Friday morning, at 5 a.m., we were ranked number 2. We finished number 7. Folks, I did not come from Wall Street. Proud of that fact. For 25 years, I taught surgeons how to do surgery. And one of the things that I learned with surgeons is they do the exact same thing on a procedure that they're doing day in and day out. They don't change. They don't say, hey, this patient I'm going to do this, that patient I'm going to do this, today is Tuesday I'm going to do this, tomorrow I'm going to do that. They do the same thing over and over again with surgical precision. Trading the markets is not brain surgery, but we developed systems as if it is. We don't wing it. We trade with surgical precision. And if you want to learn what we have learned, not in the last 6 months, not in the last 6 years, not even in the last 16 years, I have been doing this in one shape or another since 1981. We have gotten mechanized, robotic trading, really since the early 2000s when the technology came available. This is a golden age for trading. This isn't about TikTok or the Redditeers. This is about marrying technology and using it to trade the markets. Now we are trying to tackle a difficult problem. Our systems, and some you can see, are referred to as GPS. This is not a GPS system. A GPS system for a pilot or an airplane can triangulate on fixed points and project where the plane will be in so much time, or a car. The distances between Tampa and San Francisco don't change from day to day. The markets, we triangulate bits, points, data, but that data changes dynamically, not just day to day, but minute to minute. And that's what we do. And we map it. Do we get every trade right? No, but we get our share. If this interests you and somehow, some way you came by this video, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 813-758-8263. My name is Don Marshall. My wife and I, my beautiful wife Susan, founded Stock Market Caddy years ago, and we'd love to share with you and to teach you what we know. Hope to chat with you. Thanks.